In this segment, meet with your next traffic generator, the affiliate program. An affiliate program is a simple paying method that offers you the opportunity to increase your traffic while earning money on web, especially if your business revolves around selling products. Up to this point, you've built your own website using various website creators such as WordPress.com, Wix.com, or AOL.com. For this affiliate program to work, you need your main website. Even if some affiliate partners offer their own landing page and sales page, the traffic won't be directed to your website, and that defeats the whole purpose of this practice. Did you know that back in the 90s, the founder of a website that popularized the idea of affiliating is none other than Amazon.com? That's right. They attract merchants to post links of products or services they have to sell on Amazon.com for their traffic. But that's not all. These merchants gave a percentage of their profit earned to Amazon.com if someone clicks on the links provided and purchases their products or services from it. Thanks to this idea, multiple affiliate programs emerged. They have their own set of rules and regulations, but the framework is similar. These affiliate partners will earn a share of certain percentages out of the profit earned by you, the merchant, should any purchases be made from their website. Let's introduce you to the three handymen of the affiliate program. The three important things to ensure a successful traffic generation using affiliate program are the merchant, the affiliate, and the services. These three handymen are the backbone of your online business, and without any of these three, you won't be able to gain the amount of traffic to your website, thus facing a decline in your performance. First, the affiliate. An affiliate program requires you to seek an affiliate or associates to help advertise and sell your products or services on their website, provided with a link to your main website as well. There are tons of affiliate services on the web, which includes Amazon.com, JVZoo.com, and Rakuten.com, to name a few. For example, JVZoo.com offers an affiliate service for free. However, should customers make purchases of your product through links provided by JVZoo.com, percentages of that earning will be given to JVZoo.com. It's crucial for you to know that different affiliates have different regulations to their services. Sometimes registration is for free or with a certain fee. On another note, some of the main payment methods are using pay-per-lead, pay-per-sale, and pay-per-click. Pay-per-lead requires the seller to pay their affiliate based on the amount of visitors that signed up or filled in necessary information needed by the seller. Pay-per-sale requires the seller to pay their affiliate whenever customers sent by the affiliate purchase something. Last is pay-per-click. The seller will have to pay the affiliate according to the number of users who merely click on the link that will direct them to the seller's website. This method doesn't require users to purchase anything from their site for the seller to pay the affiliate. Remember, your purpose is to build up your traffic list as much as possible. Thus, it's necessary for you to read the affiliate partner's regulations and to ensure that you're getting enough traffic first despite an adequate number of sales. Some affiliate partners support loads of ad types for you to achieve a maximum possible traffic flow. Their URL links support text images or even a combination of both links. On the other hand, some are inclined towards tracking and reporting the effectiveness of your traffic to help you evaluate your efforts to create an effective marketing strategy. Next is the merchant or the sellers. That would be you, seeking for an affiliate to grow your traffic list and at the same time earn profits. Keep in mind that an affiliate offers the merchant to pay only when either one of the previous methods is met. No transaction will be made if it isn't. This is a huge advantage over traditional banner printing and hiring a public relations officer to assist you. Plus, it is a substantial bonus to your revenue given that with affiliates, you will earn a lot of traffic and a long-term product that will connect your visitors to your website. All you need to do is add product to our affiliate list. Don't forget the services. These are your selling points. Without them, your affiliate won't have anything to promote to their followers and users across the web. So if you have a book to sell, for example, you'll need to post the availability of that book on your site. The links of the specific landing page of your book will need to be provided for your affiliate to make a proper linkage towards your website. Other than that, you'll need to be consistent in coming up with new services to gather more traffic. No users want to waste their time on a merchant who is stagnant in their business. There are numerous affiliate services and programs out there. A guideline jvzoo.com will be used to explain most of the necessary items you need to know once you've chosen an affiliate. In this module, we start by registering as a merchant for an affiliate. Previously, you were introduced to the three handymen of affiliates and discovering the type of payments existed for the affiliates. Here, you'll be guided through this step-by-step on how to register to an affiliate, creating your payment profile, and adding products to your affiliate page. At the jvzoo.com homepage, click the Sign Up button on the top right of the screen. Fill in the necessary information and sign up. You'll be directed to your personal page in jvzoo.com. First thing you'll need to do is familiarize yourself with the payment profile. Click the Payment Profile button from your current page. If you scroll down, you'll see multiple options of payment that you can do. jvzoo.com allows two configurations of payment. You would either receive payment when customers pay you using vendor payments, or using user payments, which is used to receive affiliate or joint venture payments from the vendors. Since you're a seller that wants an affiliate to earn traffic, it's recommended that you opt for the vendor payment type. Regardless, it's up to what works for your business best. If you're inclined towards PayPal, then simply click the option indicated. Clicking Configure Now will direct you to the next page. Simply follow the instructions to link PayPal to your JVZoo account. You'll need to have a premium or a business PayPal account verified by PayPal in order to link it to JVZoo first. To do so, you'll need to provide your PayPal email account and follow the instructions given by jvzoo.com. Click Save to update your payment profile. Heading back to your seller dashboard, you'll have the option to apply for jvzoo.com's GetResponse account. According to jvzoo.com, this account will ensure that your buyers will be added instantly to your mailing list. Getting a GetResponse account will allow you to try it for free on a 30-day trial. If you like to keep mailing lists of all the customers who bought your product, then sign up, fill in the information needed, and create your account. Activate your free trial account by filling in the necessary details needed once you click the link from your email. You'll be directed to a whole new page, and this will require you to navigate and learn how to create a feedback form and newsletter. Do remember that your free trial expires in 30 days. If you think you could just create your own newsletter using a normal email hub, then there's no point in purchasing GetResponse. Otherwise, GetResponse is your assistant. However, keep in mind that getting a GetResponse account is optional. Some of you are probably content with only driving traffic without adding up your mailing list. Now that you've set up the basis for your profile, it's time to drive that traffic. It's time for you to publish your product to the affiliate. So you've set up your payment profile and added necessary information to your account in jvzoo.com. Great! Time to add a product and let your affiliate promote it for you. At the same time, you'll drive customers to your website's sales page. At your seller's dashboard, you see the Add a Product button on your right. Clicking it will direct you to the Add Product Information page. There are tons of information related to your products that you will need to fill before jvzoo.com can let affiliates promote it for you. Don't worry, it's not as hard as you think. To start off, you'll need to fill the basic information. This section covers all the compulsory necessary items for you, the merchant, to provide. One good thing about this would be this little question mark in the small blue box. Once you hover your mouse over the options, you'll get to see a chat box that explains the options. The first section asks you to confirm whether you would allow or disallow sales to your products. Let's assume that you allow sales and you wanted it to be shown in the marketplace. Don't forget to set the launch date and time of your product. As indicated, your product will not be visible in the marketplace until this date and time are set. Next, enter the name of your product, the main currency you're using, and of course, the price of the product. The conversion payout percentage means the amount of pay your affiliate will get should a purchase be made. If the product you're selling has a subscription payment, you'll need to fill in the pop-up information. Additionally, if you have a trial price, another box will appear for you to fill in. Moving on, continue with filling in the quantity. If you're selling it without a fixed amount, just leave it empty, but if you do, type in the exact amount. Then, you'll come across 4 important boxes to your traffic generating method. They are the support email address, the support URL, landing page, and the sales page. Fill in your business email and your main website support site. This will allow customers to be directed to their email composer with your email as the end receiver, and your main website should they come across difficulties about your product. Next is the sales page. If you have other sales pages or promotional pages from your website, this is the space for it. Simply copy the links from your site and paste them here. Make sure to tick the Send All Traffic to Sales page after launch date time. This way, the traffic you gain will be sent to your main sales page. Simply put in the link to your sales page from your main website. Your next option will either allow your affiliate to have access to your sales page. If you only want your affiliate to generate traffic to your sales page, it's best to not allow them to have access to it. Moving on is your delivery method. You have 2 options here. You either direct customers to your protected download page or direct them to a thank you page. Adhering to your type of business, either option is entirely up to you. In the end, both allow you to link a page to direct your customers to your URL. The return period option will allow customers to return the product within a set of periods that you've decided on. Tick the Make My Product Eligible for Product of the Day if you want to participate in that. In the next segment, we'll cover the rest of the items in this page, and concluding your traffic-generating future to the affiliate. In this final module, you are going to finalize your product information to your affiliate. Next item concerns both you and your affiliate. Based on your preferences, you can manually approve an affiliate or automatically approve them. It's recommended that you manually approve your affiliate by going through their profile. This is to ensure that no fraudulence is being practiced amongst affiliates without filtering them first. Hence, 3 boxes below are crucial for your affiliate. These are supported by HTML, which means if you have your customized rules and regulations to the affiliate, you can simply copy the links and paste them in the respective boxes. That concludes the basic information of your product. Finally, the advanced features. Should you have an extra information and specific directions that you want out of your product, you'll need to fill them in. First, the checkout options allow you to specify one of the payment options given below. Most accounts use PayPal, but this differs according to your previous payment profile options. Next is the JVZoo Marketplace or Product Library. Simply write a short description of your product in the provided box, choose the primary category of your product, and 2 additional category. Don't forget to enter the keywords of your product. This is to allow an optimized search of your product according to the keywords you've provided. Additionally, if you want to give your customers a discount for sharing your products on Facebook, you may do so in the FB Social Discount. The amount is entirely up to you. The customers that share this will automatically get the discount as set by JVZoo. In the Make a Dime Sale box, this option will allow you to increase the price of your product at a certain amount after every X number of sales you make. Next is the Autoresponder Integration box. Remember the GetResponse account. This is where your automated respond service will send emails to your subscribers and followers. If you have a webinar integration, simply copy and paste your webinar URL from your website in the space provided. Additionally, retargeting conversion allows you to steer your visitors back to your page. Retargeting helps in making your ads reappear while your previous visitors who didn't purchase anything from you surf the internet. Finally is the external program integration. JVZoo.com offers an automated username and password creation to visitors. This prevents them from passing through all the links just to reach towards your end product page. It helps to avoid privacy and illegal download or purchase of your product. You're almost set. Scroll down and click the Save Product. You'll be directed to your seller's dashboard and you can see that your product is ready to be sold. Now you want to look at this list of affiliates by clicking on the Sellers tab. In it, go to Affiliate Options and click Affiliate Requests. You won't be able to see any list of affiliates if you haven't posted any products, but if you do, you'll see them under Affiliate Requests. This table will show you the number of products they've sold, the option to approve or deny their request, the name of product that they've chosen to become an affiliate of, and a brief comment about themselves. At this point, you may choose whether to approve or deny their request, adhering to the rules that you've set previously for affiliate to be approved. If you wanted to look at your product in the marketplace from the seller's dashboard, click the Product Library and choose Product Library. All the products you've launched are within their respective categories. Finally, if you want to see the number of visitors and sales you made, go to the Sellers tab, choose Reports, and click Sales. You'll see a table that shows an overview of your sales and, most importantly, visitors. So to conclude this segment, slowly but surely, you'll see an increase of your traffic to your website using an affiliate program. As mentioned previously, there are tons of affiliates out there who are willing to promote your products, digitally or physically. All you need to do is register to one or two.